Interesting chicken sauce and pancakes Arrey bring it to you. They're very tasty and you should replicate at home. See you soon. Cheers. I'm here trying to do a filling for pancakes. So this is chicken, and I got here a contraption of onions, which is very healthy, some tomatoes, as well as hot African peppers here, and it's been salted, and this is going to go into the pancakes when it must have been fried, and it's going to be laced with a bit of fatty oils so that the meal is very healthy. It can be eaten by children, by adults, by hard workers, and so on. Here am I trying to make a filling for pancakes. These are spices, onions, peppers, tomatoes, and so on. It's quite nice, rich. And of course, you have some chicken, and it's been salted with some oil, vegetable oil, and so on. Wow, it's quite rich. So this is pancake I'm frying here, and this is the filling. We've got some chicken, some spices of the tropical rainforest, peppers, as well as onions. It's quite healthy. It's coming up. In the jiffy, it's going to be ready. As you can see, it's wonderful, nice meal. Very, very nice. And I actually encourage you to replicate at home. So that's what you need to do. Thanks for watching my cooking color. I am Arrey.